Thank you for tuning into Hookreations crochet tutorials. Today I will be demonstrating how to complete a back post double crochet. If you're unsure how to complete a standard double crochet, I would definitely recommend watching my double crochet tutorial on this channel before you commence trying the back post double crochet. Today I will be working with a 5mm hook and 8-ply acrylic yarn. Now, before we get started, the idea of a back post double crochet is to create texture in your work. So there's a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. So a front post double crochet lifts the double crochet above your work, whereas a back post double crochet puts the double crochet at the back of the work. So if you want to learn how to do a front post double crochet, I have a video for that, but today we're going to be learning a back post double crochet. So to complete the back post double crochet, we need to work around the posts of the previous row rather than into the stitches. So normally you would work into these stitches at the top of the row to complete a standard double crochet. But when you're working with a back post or a front post, we're actually going to be working around these posts. So back post double crochet, we're going to yarn over as you normally would for a double crochet, and we're going to go behind the post. So we're going to put our hook behind that post, yarn over, and pull the yarn back through. So as you normally would for a double crochet, you've got 3 loops on your hook, and you can see that the yarn has pulled through the back of that post. So we're going to yarn over, take our hook through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, and take the hook through the remaining 2 loops. So we're going to complete that in the next stitch so you can practice along. So we're going to yarn over, and we want to take our hook behind the work and around that post, back through, yarn over, pull up the yarn. So we've got 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, take the hook through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and take that through the final 2 loops on your hook. So as you can start to see, the stitches have fallen behind rather than in the top or on front of the stitches. And if you turn your work over, those stitches are actually raised at the back because we've worked in the back post rather than in the stitch or the front post. So we'll do that again. So we're going to yarn over, take your hook behind your work, around that post, yarn over, pull that yarn through. So you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. So I'm going to continue a number of back post double crochets so you can practice along with the video. So yarn over, taking your hook behind the work, inserting it around the post of the previous row, yarn over, pick up that wool and bring it back through. Yarn over, take that through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, taking it through the final 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, inserting the hook behind your work around the post, yarn over, and bring that yarn back through. So you've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, taking it through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, taking it through the final 2 loops on your hook. So as you can see, those stitches have fallen behind your work, and if you turn it over, you can see that those stitches are raised at the back. And that's how you complete a back post double crochet. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all of the videos that I have available. Please don't hesitate to contact me via the links below if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching.